Chapter 19. The staples are out. Dr. Draanen says I'm his fastest healing patient ever. I'm proud of you, Jessica. You've done an amazing job. I want to shout. I haven't done anything. I've just existed. And I want to hit him hard. I want to hit him for sawing off my leg. Hit him for being so cheerful and acting like I'm a star patient when I'm really just an angry, pathetic winner. Then he says the magic words, the ones I've been longing for, the ones I'm terrified of, the ones I thought might ever come and are new suddenly here too fast. You're ready to go home today? I ask. And it's a choked sound, somewhere between dying and gasping for life. He nods, assuming you pass all your PT requirements. He looks directly at me. You can manage your care and cleaning, change your own shrinker? I nod. You can walk across the room on crutches, go up and down 4 steps, transfer from standing to sitting and fall safely? These are all things the PT has been making me do. I'm still wobbly, but I can do them, so I nod. He smiles. Then you're going home. I know I should thank him, but the way he says home throws me. I'm suddenly picturing a pair of ruby slippers. Slippers I can't click together because I can't. And even though they are just in my head, just something from a movie, they glitter in my mind, and I'm suddenly desperate to click my heels together and wake up in my own bed with my own dog and both legs. There's no place like home, I whisper when he is gone. No place like home. But there are no ruby slippers. There is no waking up. There's just me and my ugly, useless stump.